Welcome to Bluewater and another tutorial video. This time we will take you through how to change the drain valve on a Bluewater Spirit. For this procedure, you will need the Bluewater toolkit, which can be purchased from your national distributor. Inside this kit, you have all needed tools for your service. Begin by removing the front lid and removing the screws located beneath the pre-filter. Continue with removing the two screws holding the front cap in place. Lift the front cap off its position by pulling upwards and towards yourself. Continue the operation with the two screws located behind the front cap. Once those are removed, we will move on with the 6 screws on the back of the machine. As a final step, we will gently twist the panel outwards and upwards. We will now continue with removing the motor assembly, which is started by pulling out the electrical connections on the motor. Push the electrical socket upwards and then pull outwards and remove to the side. Take the locking ring plier and remove the 2 locking rings on the driving wheel assembly. Remove the driving wheels by pulling upwards with your hands. We are now to remove the 4 screws holding the motor assembly in place on top of the unit. Once the last screw is removed, make sure to hold on to the assembly as it will tilt forward. Once removed, lift the full motor assembly upwards. Use the John Guest tool to remove the check valve and then carefully pull it out using your fingers. Take the smaller screwdriver in the toolkit and remove the drain valve from the pump. Take out your new drain valve and put it back in place. Screw back the 2 screws holding the drain valve in its place. Take your John Guest check valve and place back. Make sure that the red ring faces outwards. Push it together with the drain valve. We will then put the motor assembly back and screw the 4 screws in place. Make sure to hold the assembly in place while putting in the first screw, as it will otherwise tilt forward. Put the driving wheel assembly back in place. The large wheel goes in the front. Gently put the driving belt on as well. Reapply the safety locking clips on both wheels. Put the white electrical socket back in its place by aligning it with a hole and pushing downwards. Reinsert the 3 electrical connections. Align the cover with the 2 upper holes and push the panel in place gently. Start with the 2 screws behind the front cap and then place the cap back in its place. Continue with the screws below the pre-filter and then finish off with the 2 screws holding the front cap in place. We can now also put the front lid in place. We will finish off this service by replacing the 6 screws located in the back of the machine. You are now done with changing the drain valve, and the machine is once more ready to be used. As always, make sure to check for leakages, and we thank you for choosing Bluewater.